Now biggest hiring is out. Walmart is announced executive assistant and cohort just announced the data engineer fresher role. Now watch video till end because in this video there is 3 mega hiring ongoing which is live. So what you have to do, just plug in your headphones and listen carefully what I am saying. Executive assistant Walmart is announced. Now just scroll down and what you have to do. Now this is the criteria like bachelor degree. This is the criteria like bachelor degree in business operation or related field or 2-year experience in field administration, means 0 to 2 year of experience is needed. And these are the physical activities. And what is the domain to put in resume? These are the leadership expectation, means these are your skills like leadership, communication और support का भी इसमें रोल है. It means थोड़ी बहुत IT की knowledge होनी चाहिए. So you have to watch carefully and read carefully these domains and fill this form as soon as possible. Click on apply now and executive assistant role is there. So 24 25 23 batch is eligible. Now hit the apply button, but before that you have to update your resume. For updating this is the Pooja responsible for operation of a department. I am not going to tell you about this because this is non-tech role. You all know what to put in resume. Just read this because which is very lengthy. But here is only those domain which is written here, which is your responsibilities. ठीक है, तो वही चीज़ें लिखी हुई है, जाके ऐड करो resume में and click on apply, not apply now, easy apply. Click easy apply and hit the apply button as soon as possible. Just update your resume and attach updated resume. ठीक है, previous वाला वहाँ से remove कर देना. Now next opportunities. Now cohort system just announced hiring for fresher data engineer is going on. MCA BTech in 24-20-25 batches eligible. UP Gorakhpur location is there. You have to send your updated resume. But what to put in resume because only data engineer is written. But what to put in resume because only data engineer is written there. So what you have to do, what you have to put Unix and SQL with dark bullet points. Like यहाँ पे लिखा है ना जैसे वैसे Unix SQL you have to put in resume at the top of the technical skill with database MySQL, PostgreSQL and basic keyword. Like go to have analytical skill or communication skill you have to put a resume. If you are interested, send your updated resume on this HR resume, sorry HR email ID. Now ये है क्या, ये तो हमें डायरेक्ट इंटरव्यू प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. हाईली चांसेस है दे विल गिव यू डायरेक्ट इंटरव्यू और दे विल शेड्यूल योर डायरेक्ट इंटरव्यू. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, जस्ट अपडेट योर रेज्यूमे विद दीज डोमेन. प्लस डेटा इंजीनियर में बहुत डोमेन होते हैं लाइक पाइथन, एक्सेल इज ऑल्सो देयर, पावर BI, टैब्ल्यू एंड मैनी मोर इज देयर. यू हैव टू जस्ट अपडेट योर रेज्यूमे एंड सेंड योर अपडेटेड रेज्यूमे. सेंड ओनली देन, so send only if you are from 24-25 batch and MCA BTech in computer science, IT software engineering. Now you updated your resume, then just send your updated resume on this email ID. Now preference will be given to local candidates mostly. ठीक है, यहाँ पे जो भी लोकेशन दी गई है बट इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, सिर्फ प्रेफरेंस ज़्यादातर दी जाएगी. बट यहाँ पे तुम्हें शॉर्टलिस्ट कर लिया जाएगा इफ़ यू हैव प्रोजेक्ट इन डाटा इंजीनियर. सो पुट 2 प्रोजेक्ट रिलेटेड टू डाटा इंजीनियर और वहाँ पे यूज़ कर लो SQL का, यूनिक्स का. दैट्स इट. वहाँ पे ऐसी शॉर्टलिस्टिंग होगी तुम खुद बोलोगे कि भैया मेरा इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल हो गया या तो ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट मिल गया. अगर तुम प्रोजेक्ट ऐड कर रहे हो यूजिंग यूनिक्स और SQL इन डेटा इंजीनियरिंग देन यू विल गेट अ शॉर्टलिस्टिंग मेल. Now Philips just announced biggest hiring of this year because 2 days ago they posted software technologist test automation Bangalore location is there. If you see like who is eligible, just scroll down. Now just scroll down and check. Now what is the domain you have to put in resume? First is automation and manual testing you have to put in resume. Third thing is Selenium you have to put in resume plus enterprise skills and one more thing, software testing life cycle methodology you have to put in resume and many more is there. I am just telling you the main points you have to put in resume. Like यहाँ पर भी चीज़ें कुछ मिल जाएंगी जिसमें क्रिएट मेंटेन करने, तो ये भी चीज़ें कर सकते हो तुम रेज्यूमे में. बट जो मेन चीज़ें थी वो मैंने तुम्हें बता दिया. सो पुट ऑल दीज डोमेन रेज्यूमे एंड गेट द शॉर्टलिस्टिंग मेल. दिस इज नॉट अ नॉर्मल हायरिंग, दिस इज द बिग बल्क अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर यू एंड प्लीज गाइज अप्लाई फॉर दिस हायरिंग. दिस इज फॉर grads. Even 26 is eligible but not 27, only 26, 25, 24 and all graduates is eligible. So if you are a fresher, just hit the apply button. So what I told you about Walmart big hiring and big opportunity cohort system, data engineer and Philips software technologist test automation. So manual and automation both is compulsory to put in resume. Now go to the video section, check out the big mass opportunity. What mass opportunity? Elizabeth Technology just announced the big hiring. Go and hit the apply button. Link in the description box. Check out that video. Thanks for watching.